This video is designed to remind us all that it is in our power to preserve the pristine grandeur of the Kumtor Plateau, its magnificent glaciers, its rivers and wildlife.
We can rid our posterity of the unsettled environmental problems.
The rate of decay for foil is 100 years, for rubber tires 140 years, for plastic 200 years, for aluminum 500 years, for glass 1000 years.
An environmental collapse can be prevented. Let's try to act differently. The life of waste materials can be extended.
Up to 95% of waste is recyclable on the mine site. The ubiquitous plastic can be used to manufacture a variety of consumer goods. Rubber tires are good to make floor coating. Metal can be reused, as well as wood and paper. While food waste is quality compost and fertilizers. This is quite possible where waste is properly sorted out. It's a matter of mere habit, requiring no special efforts. Your children and grandchildren deserve a clean future and good environment. It's up to you to choose. It's in our power to preserve the beauty of nature.